Everybody, we're back. Just a quick side note after the last time you watched us finalize all this bullshit. We had these plastic things and they're just not, even though they're made for dryers, it's not something you want to permanently install.
It's not spring loaded,
right?
And it does not make any kind of seal.
Right.
It's meant, only in a horizontal thing, because if you have it vertical,
sure,
it just stays open.
This one kind of warped. This one was up there for the longest time. So we went online after we installed this, and by the power of YouTube, after you watched everything, and this is what we came up with. Jay actually has these from Upteen years ago, well before YouTube.
It's got a butterfly valve with a positive, like, rubber foam seal. It's hard to see with the light. Maybe if you come this way.
Oh, I got it.
So that way the air will blow it open, it'll flow, and then it'll close itself. I guess I gotta put a little more oil on it.
And then the lint gets trapped in the middle.
Yeah, of course, but what are you gonna do? That's why you clean it out. So it's there. It mostly works.
So we put one in, I just have to tape it. It's right there, you can't really see, it kind of blends in. We'll put this one in, I'll tape it, and then we'll put this on and see what kind of airflow and see if I can hear the flaps close, but I'm sure they'll be fine. So stay tuned. So we had our little shelf of light bulbs, and Jay was like, hey, do you have something with a candelabra base? Because here's the old one.
Weird shape.
And it was a 20 watt?
Yeah, I think we determined it's a 20 watt. The camera, there's not enough light to show.
No, I don't think so. No.
Marked.
10 watt.
10. Okay, so we put a 7 watt in.
There it is, 10 watt.
So we put a 7 watt in.
We put a 7 watt, 8, 9, 10.
And these you can get fucking anywhere.
Right. And that's more than enough. Especially if you're turning the light on anyway to use the dryer.
Right, and I know Sharky's gonna go, no, you gotta put LED in there.
So we're running this on air dry. Very limited is coming out compared to the plastic ones.
Oh yeah, it's a marked difference.
There's nothing you could. We'll turn the heat on in a little bit, but we'll do that off camera. So here they are. They blend in. You don't even know they're there. Nothing coming out of this clamp. No heat. Everything was taped because there was just a little bit of air. There's a little bit of air coming out of this thing, of course, but that's because there's a hole, and that's what the flaps pivot on.
Right, you can only get it so tight.
But
before it's
the system is airtight. So we're going to wrap this up. 2 aluminum one-way valves, dampers, installation on the final doo-doo-doo, and that's it. So thanks for watching this series plus this little bonus video. Ciao for now.